Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the decimal places in Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started. You have to open your file in Google Sheets and choose the columns that you want to change the decimal places. And I'm going to choose the price column right here. And what we're going to do next to change the decimal places is just selecting the column like this. You have to tap and hold on the column and you have to drag it. Alright, after that we can click on this A button. Then there will be several options for us and we can choose cells right here. And we can go down until we find decimal places, and it's right here. And if you want to add the decimal places, you can click on this button. But if you want to reduce the decimal places, you can click on this button. And we're going to reduce the decimal places, so we have to click on this button. And I want to make it 2 decimal places. Okay guys, and that's how we can change the decimal places in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.